How to reset Wells Fargo online banking password. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can reset Wells Fargo's online banking password. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up Wells Fargo. And after you find its official website, simply head over it. It's www.wellsfargo.com. And after you're there, on the left hand side you'll find the sign in option. Right here you can sign in. There is also a sign on option right here, which I will open in another tab. And there we go. Now you can log in from here, or you can log in from here as well. So let's just head over here, and right here what you'll need to do is type in your username. Now if you want to reset your password, since you've forgotten it, you can simply head over to forgot username or password. So tap on that, tap on this option right here, and it will take you to another page. So right here what you'll need to do is you will need to type in your social security number, and after you type that in, you can head over to the username section. Right here, sign in, type in your username, and then right here type in your account name. After you do that, tap on continue, and it will take you to another page where you can reset your password. And that is how you can reset your Wells Fargo online banking password. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.